Good morning, everyone. This is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and today I am going to dehydrate plantain. Now, plantain is a fruit in the banana family, and I believe it's available just about everywhere, but anyway, I've looked at it and passed it many times, and this time I decided to pick up a couple of them and try to dehydrate and see how they turn out. Okay, so this is my first attempt to make plantain chips. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to dehydrate plantain as opposed to bananas. I've heard that, right or wrongly, that the banana chips that you buy are actually plantain chips. And so I have bought 2 plantain, much more expensive than bananas, and I'm going to dry these, and I should probably get some lemon water. Okay, I've got my lemon water, I've got my 2 plantain, and I'm peeling, and I'm going to drop it into the lemon water just for a few minutes before I put it on the dehydrator. And we'll see how these ones work out compared to banana chips. So, and the reason for the lemon water mixture is so that these do not go brown. They just don't appear very appetizing when they have become brown in color. Okay, so that's one. I'm just going to lay these out. We'll probably dehydrate them overnight at 120 degrees, 120, 125. Okay. So 1 to 2 trays are going to be more than enough. Once again, this is just a sampling to try and determine how plantain dehydrate and if they are better than banana chips. Unusual fruit, at least from my perspective. Don't seem to want to peel as easy as bananas either. And this is definitely ripe. I bought it a few days ago, and they sat here for a few days, so it's not as though they are raw. Certainly the first one was a lot easier to peel. Okay. And they do seem quite a bit firmer than bananas. Lemon water seems to be doing the trick. I don't see them browning at all. Okay, we're going to lay these out, as I said, and put them on to dehydrate, and then we'll probably get back tomorrow to determine the results, the difference between these and banana chips. So I will use a second tray. Some things are best dehydrated, other things are best canned, other foods are best frozen. So there's quite a range of options available to you for preserving foods. So I don't think I would want to can plantain. Okay, we're ready to put this on the dehydrator, and we'll get back to you tomorrow. Okay, it's the next morning, and my plantain chips are all dry. And I'm going to, and I have tasted them, and they're quite nice. I understand that you can add salt or cinnamon, any kind of spice to these. And if you don't have a dehydrator, you can actually bake them in the oven. So you can dry fruit in the oven if you have no other method. And for me, dried fruit is a great snack to be able to eat at any time. So, and my apple chips are all done, so I'm experimenting with a few other fruits as well. Yes, the plantain are a little bit tougher than bananas, but they're quite tasty as well. And I've just made these ones plain. As I said, you can add salt and you can add cinnamon and perhaps other spices if you like. So that's my plantain chips now. And I'll snack on those for the next little while. So, and as always, see you on the next video.